Hey everyone, I'm back for Canomics' next episode of Let's Learn. So last time we left off with DNA turning into a molecule or making a molecule called RNA. So what is this RNA? So think about this. You're born, you inherit those genes, that DNA from your father and your mother, and that's sort of the blueprint of who you are. And you cannot really change that much unless you're exposed to radiation or some toxic chemicals, or latest with the CRISPR technology, you can edit those genes. But basically what changes on a day-to-day basis is which of those genes are turned on or turned off. And we call that process gene expression. Okay, so let's take an example. You're eating healthy this week, you're sleeping well, you're exercising. So most likely your good genes are turned on and your bad genes are turned off. Now, let's say in a week or two, you start partying a lot, you don't sleep well, you're drinking a lot, eating chicken wings every day. What happens then? Your good genes get turned off and your bad genes get turned on. And so what is that result, this turning on and off of those genes? That is what is RNA. That's that next molecule. When a gene is turned on, it goes through that process of transcription and you get that RNA, which is the next step. And so what happens to the RNA? RNA becomes into protein. So for another example would be COVID infection, right? So somebody gets infected with COVID. Now your body wants to fight that infection. So now your inflammatory genes get turned on, right, to fight that infection. And those genes make RNA for those fighting proteins. And so once those proteins are turned on, then they will travel to different parts of the body, sometimes within its own locality, and then help those cells fight off that deadly virus. So basically in the next episode, we will learn about that transition from RNA to protein. In the meanwhile, here is the trivia answer from last week. Our question was, how long is your DNA? And the answer is A, 75 billion kilometers. Isn't that crazy? So if you were to take DNA just from one cell, it would be about 2 meters long. But now if you connect all of your DNA from every single cell, then it will be about twice the diameter of the solar system. That's crazy. Now coming to this week's or this episode's question, what percent of human cell is RNA? So those are your options, and we will reveal the answer in the next episode. So stay tuned. Goodbye from everyone at Canomics. See you soon.